Why every automotive workshop starts with 5S and the secret behind world-class manufacturing. Have you ever wondered why companies like Tata Motors, Toyota, Mahindra, and other leading automobile manufacturers insist on perfect organization? It's not just about cleanliness, it's a powerful workplace system. 5S forms the foundation of safety, quality, efficiency, and continuous improvement. That is why every automotive professional should know and apply 5S. What is 5S? 5S is a Japanese workplace organization method. It stands for Seiri, Seiton, Seiso, Seiketsu, and Shitsuke. Together, these 5 principles help eliminate waste, improve efficiency, reduce accidents, and maintain high-quality standards.
Seiri and Seiton. The first step, Seiri, means sort, remove unnecessary tools, damaged parts, and unused materials from the workplace. The second step, Seiton, means set in order. Every tool should have a designated place, making it easy to find and return. Remember, a place for everything and everything in its place.
Seiso means shine. Cleaning is not just about appearance, it helps identify oil leaks, it helps identify loose bolts, it helps identify damaged cables and worn-out components before they become major failures. Seiketsu means standardize. Floor markings, tool shadow boards, inspection checklists, and color coding keep processes consistent. Regular cleaning schedules ensure everyone follows the same best practices. The final step, Shitsuke, means sustain. 5S is not a one-time cleaning activity. It is a daily habit. Regular audits build accountability. Employee involvement fosters ownership. Training equips teams to maintain standards. Management support ensures resources and leadership. Together, they build a culture of discipline and continuous improvement. A clean workshop is a safe workshop. An organized workshop is an efficient workshop. That's why every world-class automotive manufacturer begins with 5S. Whether you're an engineering student, technician, supervisor, or plant professional, mastering 5S is your first step toward operational excellence. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Automotive TechX for more automotive engineering insights.